My name is Tasya Olivia. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Peace be with all of us. Om Swastiastu. Namo Buddhaya. Greeting of virtue, ladies and gentlemen and fellow countrymen. Since we announced the COVID-19 case at the beginning of this month, I have introduced the Minister of Health and relevant ministries to increase extra step in dealing with the COVID-19 global pandemic. Some countries that experience the spread earlier than us, some do lockdowns with all the consequence that accompany it. But there are also countries that do not do a lockdown but take strict steps and policies to prevent the spread of COVID-19. In Indonesia, there are 309 cases of patients infected with corona, 14 of whom have recovered and 25 of whom have died. We therefore make efforts to prevent transmission of the coronavirus, namely by doing online learning for all students in Indonesia and advising employees to work from home for 2 weeks, 14 days. This is to anticipate the spread of the virus. The government is also preparing an athlete homestead as an alternative place for isolation for patients affected by corona. This is done if the capacity BUMN, TNI, Polri, and private hospital is no longer sufficient to accommodate COVID-19 patients. The vaccine was discovered by the Chinese state. The plan is for this vaccine to be mass produced. Therefore, we ask the public to take precautionary measures against the coronavirus until the vaccine is mass produced. The government continues to communicate with WHO and use the WHO health protocol and consult with public health experts in dealing with the distribution of COVID-19 to be continued to monitor the condition of the area and continue to consult with medical experts in examining the situation. Then continue to consult with National Disaster Management Agency to determine the status of the area on emergency alert or non-natural disaster response. Based on the emergency status of the area, the ranks of the regional government and assisted by the ranks of the TNI, Polri, and support from the central government to continue to make effective and efficient steps in dealing with the spread and impact of COVID-19. Avoid activities outside the home that can facilitate transmission of the virus from people we don't know they have the virus or not, because not all positive corona causes symptoms of the disease, as we already know. We are all solidified by nature to look after each other, then the speed with each other, the spread will decrease. The number of people affected by the virus will also decrease. The government works to protect all people, but if community does not support the efforts of the government, there will be no results. Once again, we as speakers of the COVID-19 situation would like to ask for help in cooperation. In terms if protecting the people close and dear to avoid the virus. Take care your health and eat nutritious food, drink plenty of mineral water, consume vitamin C to strengthen yourself, Wash your hands and keep your body clean and avoid direct contact with others outside the home. Keep a distance of people and apply the ethics of choking or sneezing when in public places. I think this is what I can convey. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.